When we go for work, then if we zoom in and zoom out, then you'll see that UCS icon or axis icon are moving, and it's not actually. When you start working, then it'll irritate you. So how we can set it a certain place, I mean here, just simply come here, and if you take mouse on it, and you will see it will be a shadow, then or it will fade. Then right click on your mouse and you will go here, UCS icon setting, and simply click here, show icon at origin. Just simply click here and just see. Now if you move, that origin will not move. So this is a good way to set your origin here.